Shout out to my baby for getting me this coffee before I start my video. So good. You know. Alright, let's open up the package. Alright, so we have these lashes right here. It's in Imagine. So we're just about to open these bad boys up. So with these lashes, they have a light brownish purple to it and also some black. So I can't wait to wear these. So on camera, I'm going to try on some lashes for you, and then I'm just going to do like another scene with me just wearing them for video's sake. So these are super pretty. All right, let's get into these right here. Oh, so pretty. I love the purple. This purple is great. So what I like about this brand, they have their different styles throughout the year and very stylish. So you know these are going to be in style. Everybody's wearing fun, colorful lashes. So love that. So a little thing about this is a magnetic lash brand. It's a female founder and it is beginner friendly, and you don't have to hassle with the glue get stuck in your lashes. So I love that. If you hear something in the background, it's my daughter. So these are the nails. They also sell nails. I'm so excited about that. These are in Juicy. And can we say hello to the packaging? I love the packaging of this. And the nails have, if you can see, hopefully my camera's picking up the glitter. Got glitter pieces in it. So that's so pretty. I love that. And the other lash is in Lush. Super pretty too. Super pretty. Let's open that up. I already know these bad boys right here. Oh my goodness. So lush, so pretty. So I believe I will try these on camera for you guys, and then I'm gonna rock the other ones. Okay. Also, with this brand, you don't have to hassle with toxic glue in your lashes, getting stuck in there. So I'm super excited. I'm wearing these nails today. I will have the video up probably after this one. But these nails are in Bougie Brown. Super pretty. My nails. And also, I got the lash magnetic glue. So I have this one. I'm trying to see if it's in the box. So yeah, I have this one right here, the felt tip, and also the liquid liner. So we're gonna get into trying on the lashes, make sure they fit properly and all of that. So we're just gonna get... All right, we are all zoomed in. All right, so like I said, this is a magnetic lash brand, no messy glue and all of that jazz. So we're gonna put Lush on first, and then I'm gonna show the lashes like I said. Okay, the other thing about these lashes, they have the magnetic band. So when you take the lashes out like this, let me get my tweezers. I recommend you using the tweezers. Hopefully this focus. So right off hand, it has the magnetic. Please focus, camera. You have one job today, to focus. Can you focus on me? So yeah, it's a magnetic band. I love this. It just sticks right back on here, and you're just gonna pop your lashes off. After you're done with them, you're gonna put them back on there. See, just like that. So I'm about to go ahead and show you the felt liner, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Okay, so this is in Deep Space. So here's the liner, and you're gonna do about 2 to 3 oh my god, I can't talk. You're gonna do 2 to 3 lines on your eye. So that's what we're gonna do. Make sure you shake your pen like I just did. So like I said, it's my first time ever trying out the magnetic lashes. Let me put this hair behind my ear, this bob. bothering me. Like, it's really bothering me right now. Hold on. So I'm gonna put that on the liner. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pop these lashes on, see how this goes. So we're going to go ahead and pop the lashes on. Mind you, I really don't use tweezers when I pop lashes, so please bear with me. I just don't like using tweezers, so I use my hands. But it should magnetically pop on there. Do you see that? Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. I love it. It popped on so easily. So simple. You ain't gotta worry about the messy glue. Like, sometimes when I take my lashes out, I still have glue the next day in my lashes. And I put lash remover and all of that. But baby, this is a game changer. Let's go and put the other one on. I love the length, and if you can really look, my camera's not doing no justice. It's a light color of like a purplish brown. These are really, really nice. These are in Ecstasy X. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. These might be my favorite. I love color lash. So please check out Glamnetics, please. It's a must. Effortless lash. I highly recommend these lashes. Glamnetic is chef's kiss. Please check out everything. They have all different styles that you like. Let me zoom out some. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.